Oh, all right, guys. I did street sprints. Man, oh man, there's definitely a difference between street sprints and sidewalk sprints. It's like this pavement has like a little bit more of a give to it, and you're able to just rock it up that hill. So that was an amazing workout. I'm gonna head to the basement after filming this vlog. I'm gonna do a workout in the basement. Man, that really beat me up. Holy shit. Look at that moon. Cool. So anyways, guys, it's windy. It was yeah. It is a windy night. Slightly cool for like the end of May. Man, that workout was awesome. My insides are all jumbled up, like it's like my abs just got beat up. I freaking love that feeling. So it's a fat burning workout. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.